First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video number 3 on the topic inequality, so now we are going to solve another set of 5 questions from this topic. So friends, I have already taught you a 10 question from the topic called inequality in the previous video, that is in video 1 and video 2. So don't forget to watch all those videos and then come to this video number 3. Got it? So before solving the question on the topic inequality, you need to remember one thing. Only if you are preparing for any art level competitive exams, you have to watch these kinds of video. If you are preparing for easy to medium level competitive exams, definitely 100% sure these types of questions will not be asked in your competitive exams, right? So if you are like preparing for CAT exams or SBAPO mains exam, IBBS bank mains exam, so those students should definitely watch all the videos in the topic inequality. And second important thing is, only if you learned all the topics in quantitative aptitude, you can able to solve these types of question, or else without knowing the quantitative aptitude, some topics you cannot able to solve a question from the topic called inequality. Got it? So every time before solving the question from inequality, you need to remember these 2 points. So now let me move on to question number 11. So here they have given 2 quantities. The quantity, I think both the quantities are in types of equation. So first quantity, I think you can see 3 power x plus 5, 9 power 2x minus 4 is equal to 9 power 5x minus 14. So our target is to find what is the value of x, and quantity 1, and quantity 2 will be what is the value of y. Got it? So first what we can do here is, I think see here alone it is 3 power something. So all the remaining numbers are 9 power. So let me convert this 9 as 3 power. So 3 power x plus 5. So this can be written as 3 square 2x minus 4 is equal to 3 square 5x minus 14. Got it? So now what we can do here is 3 power x plus 5. So 3 power we can multiply 2 here. So 2 into 2 will be 4x. So minus 8 is equal to, so 3 power 10x minus 28. So now we finally converted all the 9 power something into 3 power. So we can see all the base numbers are 3. So now it is easy to add, because a power m, a power n will be a power m plus n. So this can be written as 3 power x plus 5. So plus 4x minus 8 is equals to, so 3 power 10x minus 28. Got it? So when you add all these terms, 4x, x will be 5x, so 3 power 5x, so 5 minus 8, so will be minus 3 is equals to 3 power 10x minus 28. So now here you can able to see 3 power is in the term of equal to. So equal to is nothing but you need to add these 2 numbers, right? So 5x and 10x, so this can be written as 5x minus 3 is equals to 10x minus 28. So when you bring the minus 28 towards left hand side, it becomes plus 28. So this can be written as plus 28 minus 3 is equals to, so 10x, when you bring this 5x towards right hand side, it becomes minus 5x. Got it? So we can say that 25 is equals to 5x, so x is equal to 5. So finally we got the quantity 1 answer, that is value of x is equal to 5. So once understood, it's a kind of surds and indices topic equation. Surds and indices we have learned a power m, right? I hope you remember all these stuff. A power m, a power n will be a power m plus n. So similarly a power m divided by a power n will be a power m minus n. So basic formulas of surds and indices. So that's the thing we have applied here. I think, yeah, we have applied here. A power m, a power n will be a power m plus n. So we have added both the powers. The base number is same, we have to add the power. So similarly in surds and indices topic we have 5 to 6 formulas like similar in this pattern. So if you learn that, then solving these types of question will be very simple. Got it? So first quantity, I think it's completely based on surds and indices. So now we can erase this and we can move on to the quantity 2. So here is the quantity 2. So from quantity 1 we have solved and we got the value of x, that is x is equal to 5. So now let me solve the quantity 2 question. So here you can able to see first there are 2 terms, right? One term equal to another term. So first what we can do is we can simplify this equation and we can bring this into a single equation. Got it? So 3y square, so just listen here, this is in the format, right? So 2y square minus 28 is equals to 3y square. So minus 23y minus 13. So first what we can do is we can bring this 2y square towards right hand side. It becomes minus 2y square. So 3y square minus 2y square will be only y square. Got it? So next will be 23. Just see here, minus 23. When you bring this plus 15y towards right hand side, minus 15y towards right hand side, it becomes plus 15y. So minus 23 plus 15 will be minus 8y. Got it? So next will be 13 and 28. So I think when you bring this towards right hand side, it becomes plus 28. So resultant will be plus 15 is equal to 0. So finally you can see that after simplifying the quantity 2 equation, we got the equation in terms of quadratic equation, right? Before y square, we don't have any constant here. So now you can see 15. So number 15 is here. So two numbers that we are going to multiply, resultant should be 15. While adding both the numbers, the resultant should be minus 8. I think minus 5, minus 3, yes or no? So when you multiply both the number, resultant will be plus 15. When you add both the numbers, the resultant will be minus 8. So finally, while writing the value, x is equal to, change the sign as plus 5. So y2 will be minus 3, change the sign, plus 3. So finally we got the value of y, that is quantity 2 will be 5 and 3. So we got x is equal to 5. Now we got y is equal to 5 and 3. So finally we need to compare both the quantities and we need to say which is greater than or less than, which is greater than or equal to, similarly based upon the options. So here you can see value of x is 5, right? Value of y will be 5 and 3. So while comparing 5 and 5, it is equal to. So while comparing 5 and 3, x will be greater than. So after comparing all the x value with y value, we can say that one value is greater, another value is equal to. So we can say that that quantity 1 answer is greater than or equal to quantity 2. Got it? So we can mark that answer. Got it? So this is the way you have to solve the question. You know, these are the memory based question of SBI exams. So similarly, these kinds of questions are repeatedly asking in many competitive exams. So try to practice more. It is very simple, right? You need to practice more number of questions like this before going for your exams. So question number 12. So 12 men can complete a piece of work in 10 days and 18 women can complete a piece of work in 20 days and 27 children can complete a piece of work in 20 days. So 9 women and 9 children together to do the work for 16 days. So this is the passage they have given initially. So we can say that this is the question from the topic called time and work, right? So I think they have given 12 men, how many days they can complete, 18 women, 27 children. And finally what they are saying is 9 women and 9 children together do the work for 16 days. So quantity 1 is what? Number of men required to complete the remaining work. So quantity 2, where it's a direct answer because 36 has been given. So quantity 2 we don't want to find anything because answer 36 has been directly given. So only the quantity 1 we have to solve. The remaining works alone, how many men can able to complete it. Got it? So interesting question. So before solving this question, you guys remember that I hope I have solved many questions on the topic time and work. I think totally I have solved 8 to 10 videos. And the 6th or 7th lesson, I have solved similar pattern like XY person finding. In this model, I have solved a question by two different ways. One is normally how your quantitative aptitude solutions will be, and second is a small shortcut by equating the men and women and similarly children, how much children, and then I have solved. Two different ways I have solved a similar pattern question. So now what I can do here is I can first solve a normal way how to solve it, right? Just see, 12 men can able to piece of work, complete a work in how many days? 10 days. So we can say that if 12 men is equals to 10 days, then 1 man is equal to 1 by 10 into 12. Got it? So similarly, women, right? So 18 women can complete a piece of work in how many days? 20 days. So we can say that 1 woman will be 1 by 20 into 18. And the last will be children, right? So 27 children can complete a piece of work in 20 days. So 1 children will be 1 by 20 into 27. Got it? So now, according to the passage, what they have said is 9 women and 9 children. I'm sorry. Okay, so 9 women and 9 children can complete a piece of, they are just doing some work, right? For how many days? 16 days. So after 16 days of completion, there are some tasks remaining. So that task, how many men are required to complete it? Our target is to find, that is quantity 1, right? So see here, 9 women and 9 children, right? What we can do is, we know one woman can complete a piece of work in how many days? 1 by 20 into 18. So plus 9 children, and we know that one children can complete a piece of work in 1 by 20 into 27. So now we can cancel it. So this becomes 2 times. So this becomes 3 times. So 1 divided by 40. So plus 1 divided by 60. So I think we can take an LCM as 120 here. So if you take 120 as LCM, so 40 into 3, right? So 3, and the 60 into 2 will be 120. So plus 2. So resultant will be 5 by 120. So they are doing in how many days? So 9 women and 9 children, totally how many days they have worked? They have worked for 16 days. So multiply this by 16. So we can say that cancel it on 4 table. So if you cancel it on 4 table, so this becomes 30. So this becomes 4. Again we can cancel 1 4s are 4. 6 5s are 30. So cancel it on 2 table, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So which means where 9 women and 9 children in 16 days, they have completed 2 by 3 of the work. From the total work 1, right? From the total work 1, they have completed 2 by 3 of the work. So what is the remaining work we have? So remaining work will be 1 by 3, because 1 minus 2 by 3 will be 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 will be the remaining work. So now what is our target? So this remaining work should be completed by how many men? So 1 man is equal to how much? 1 by 10 into 12. So 1 man can able to do a piece of work in 1 by 10 into 12. So now what is the part of work remaining? So 1 by 3 part of work remaining, which is 3. So we can cancel it 4. So 40. So now we can say that 40 men are required to do the remaining 1 by 3 part of the work. Got it? So answer for the quantity 1 will be 40 men. So quantity 2, we don't want to find anything. Why? Because quantity 2, a direct answer has been given, that is 36. So now comparing quantity 1 and quantity 2. So quantity 1 will be 40. Quantity 2 will be 36. So we can say that quantity 1 will be greater than quantity 2. So friends, I hope you understood how I solve it, because these are the simple ways to solve these types of questions without any shortcut or without using that unit method, LCM method, nothing, right? A normal way to solve these types of question. And there is another method I think I have taught you in my YouTube channel while teaching these kinds of questions. What I have told you is like, so 12 men can complete a piece of work in 10 days. So 12 into 10 equal to, so this becomes men, right? So similarly 18 into 20 will be women. 18 into 20 is equal to women, and 27 into 20 is for children. And then I ask you to cancel all the values. 10 times we can cancel, this becomes 2. So this becomes 2 again. So I think we can cancel it on 3 table. So this becomes 4 3s are 12. Cancel it on 3 table. So 6 3s are 18. Again cancel it on 3 table. 9 3s are 27. So we can cancel it on 2 table, 2 times. So 2 men is equal to 6 women is equals to 9 children. Got it? So and then what I told you is, so 2 men is equal to 6 women. Then we can say that 1 man is equals to 3 women. Right? And then similarly 6 women is equal to 9 children. So 1 woman is equal to 9 by 6 children. So 1 woman is equal to, cancel it on 3 tables, so 3 by 2 children. So this is the way we usually find 1 man is equal to how many children, or 1 man is equal to how many women, and then we substitute in this equation, because we know that 1 woman is equal to how many children? 3 by 2 of children. So 1 woman, I substitute 3 by 2 of children, and finally I use to calculate it. This is another way of solving a question. Got it? I have taught you both the methods, and also in that video I have told you like for which question you need to use this method and for which question you need to use this method. I have told you those kinds of techniques also, because for some question this will be difficult, for some question this will be difficult. So that's the reason in that video I have told you like for which question you need to use this equation model, and for which question you need to equate the values, right? So that's it friends, for question number 12, where the quantity 1 answer is 40, quantity 2 answer is 36. So we can say that quantity 1 will be greater than quantity 2. Question number 13. So time taken, I think initial passage was not given, directly quantity 1 and quantity 2 has been given. So quantity 1 is time taken to fill the tank when A, B, C are opened in every alternate minute starting with A and ending with C. So A, B, C alone take 20 minutes, 15 minutes and 12 minutes to fill the tank. So when just see here, our target is to find the time taken to fill that complete piston, right? So this is in the format called alternate work, because the tap A is opened initially for 1 minute, and after 1 minute tap B has been opened, and after another 1 minute tap C has been opened. So this is the way the 3 taps are working. So our target is to find how much time it takes to complete the total piston, to fill the total piston. Got it? So remember one thing, every time while solving a question from pipes and pistons, this is the topic from pipes and pistons, right? I have told you like time and work and pipes and piston, moreover it is same. 90% concept is same for time and work and pipes and piston. So in time and work, I have told you like alternate person working. A same logic I am going to use here. Just listen carefully. So where you can say that tap A, right? So tap A can complete that, fill a tank in how many minutes? 20 minutes. Tap B will be 15 minutes and tap C will be 12 minutes. Got it? So 20 minutes, 15 minutes and 12 minutes. So now, so we can say that 1 by A will be first tap gets open and second tap will be 1 by B and the third tap will be 1 by C. Got it? So these 3 taps will be working for how many minutes? 3 minutes. So friends, understood or not? Similarly, next set, again tap A has been opened, tap B and tap C. So it goes on, in this format it goes on, because they have clearly told like, just see, A, B, C are open in every alternate minute, right? So first minute tap A has been open and then after 1 minute tap B and tap C. So again tap A, tap B, tap C, it goes on, right? So our target is to find after how many minutes the tank gets filled. So now we are just picking only the one cycle, that is tap A, tap B, tap C, because each tap is open for 1 minute. So we can say that the total time duration will be 3 minutes. So first let me add this. In 3 minutes, how much part of tank is getting filled, right? So 1 by A will be how much? 20 minutes. So 1 by 20. So plus B will be 15 minutes. So 1 by 15 and C will be 12 minutes, right? I think we can take LCM as 20, 15, 12. So 40. So we can take LCM as 60. So when you take LCM as 60, so 3 into 20 will be 60. So this will be 3. So 15 into 4 and 12 into 5. So this can be written as 5 plus 3 will be 8. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 12 divided by 60. So when you cancel it, so this becomes 5. So this means, right, in 3 minutes, just listen here, in 3 minutes, 1 by 5 part of the tank is filled. So friends, understood the logic, right? So in 3 minutes, right, in 3 minutes, 1 by 5 part of tank gets filled. So in another 3 minutes, that is in next 3 minutes, another 1 by 5 part will be filled. Yes or no? So in another 3 minutes, another 1 by 5. So now it goes on similarly. Our target is to find when the tank gets filled. So 1 by 5 part of the work, that is 1 by 5 part of the tank gets filled in 3 minutes. So the total tank will be filled in 5 into 3, that is 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes where the total tank will be filled. So this will be the answer for quantity 1. So friends, understood, right? It goes on, right? 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and another 1 by 5 and another 1 by 5. Only then we can say that when you add all these value, resultant will be 5 by 5, which is 1, which means the total tank gets filled. So 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 3 minutes. This is the way also you can find a traditional method. So when you add all the 3 minutes, resultant will be 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, the total tank will be filled. So friends, understood. So this is the way I have solved many questions on my YouTube channel that is based on alternate days work. 90% pipes and pistons time and work concept are same, right? Alternate work and then one person leaving and one person joining. All those cases we have to use this technique, right? This is the format that goes on. So you need to take any one cycle. So by taking any one cycle, you need to solve the complete question. And in this one cycle, we need to find that value. In 3 minutes, 1 by 5 part of the tank is filled. So we can say that in order to fill the complete tank, so 5 into 3 will be 15. So 15 minutes, the total tank will be filled. So answer for quantity 1 This is 15 minutes. Got it? So now let me move on to the quantity 2. So quantity 2. So find the time taken by the waste pipe to empty the full piston. So remember that whenever you find that waste pipe concept, you need to subtract the value because the water is getting outlet, right? It's an outlet pipe. So outlet pipe, you always need to subtract the value. And this quantity 2, again, it's also pipes and pistons. So now what they are saying is find the time taken by the waste pipe to empty the full piston. 2 pipes alone can fill the piston in 10 minutes and 15 minutes. So let me take pipe 1. So pipe 1 alone can take 10 minutes to fill the piston. So similarly pipe 2 will take 15 minutes to fill the piston. So there is another pipe. So let me keep it as pipe 3. So pipe 3 where it's empty the piston. Got it? So empty pipe. Okay. So now what is the target? So these 2 pipes along with the waste pipe has been opened. So what they are saying is these 2 pipes along with that waste pipe has been opened. So the total time taken to fill the tank in 18 minutes. So our target is to find the time taken by the empty pipe to fill the piston. Just see here, what we can do is first pipe, which is 1 by 10 minutes, it can fill the tank. So similarly 15 minutes it can able to fill the tank. So where the another pipe is getting emptied, let me keep it as 1 by x. So in x minute where this pipe 3, that is empty pipe, will make the complete water to get outlet, right? So we can say that is equals to, and how many minutes all the 3 pipes has been opened? In 18 minutes the tank gets filled. So 1 by 18, that's it. Easy logic. So what we need to find? Time taken by the waste pipe to empty the fill piston. So that's the thing, we kept the value as x, right? So now we need to solve it. So 1 by 10, so plus 1 by 15, so minus 1 by 80 is equals to 1 by x. 90 and 80 here. So we can take LCM as 90. So this becomes 9 times and this becomes 15, right? So 6 times here and this becomes 5 times is equal to 1 by x. So this will be 10 by 90 is equal to 1 by x. So x is equal to 9 minutes. So in 9 minutes where that pipe 3 will empty the full piston. Got it? So this will be the answer for quantity 2. So quantity 2 we finally found the answer as 9 minutes and quantity 1 we found the answer as 15 minutes. So the final answer we need to compare whether quantity 1 is greater or quantity 2 is greater. So definitely 15 is greater than 9 minutes. So we can say that quantity 1 will be greater than quantity 2. So which will be the answer for this question, right? So very interesting question and very easy question too. So without knowing the basic concept of pipes and pistons, you cannot able to solve the question. So remember one thing, you have to initially learn the topic called time and work. Be strong on the topic time and work, then solving a question from pipes and pistons will be very simple. So this is the thing I have told you in many of my YouTube videos, right? Always you need to take one cycle and you need to solve. Even it's called an alternate pipe. One pipe is working and then alternatively another pipes is working. So similarly there are many concepts like 2 pipe has been initially opened and the second after 2 minutes third and the fourth pipe will be open, and after 5th minute the 4th pipe and 5th pipe will be open. So again all the similar logic question you need to solve in this way. Got it? So if you learn this method, then solving all the alternate pipes concept will be very simple. So if you don't know the logic, again go to my YouTube channel. You can able to find the video of pipes and pistons alternate pipes. So try to watch the video and try to solve the basic question, then definitely you can able to solve it. So question number 14. So when an article is sold at 28% discount, then the profit earned will be 29.6%. So X is the profit percentage when an article is sold as 30% discount. So our target is to find when the same article is sold at 30% discount, then what is the profit? That is X percentage, right? So interesting question where initial passage has been not yet given. So direct quantity 1 that is based on discount concept, and quantity 2 again a direct answer has been given, that is 38. So and that too, this question is from the topic called profit and loss, and as well as some discount has been given. So we can say that profit, loss and discount based question. So first what we can do is just read the question. When an article is sold at 28% discount. So if the discount is 28%, then the profit earned is how much? 29.6%, right? If 28% discount has been given from the article, from the cost price of the article, he earned a profit of 29.6%. I think if you know the logic, you can easily find one shortcut here. By using that shortcut, you can able to solve the question easily. But I think it's simple question, even a traditional method will be easy. Just see, if discount is 28% and the profit earned is 29.6%, first what we can do is we can fix the cost price as 100. So we don't know what is the cost price as 100. So now you can able to see discount is how much? 28%. So if from the 100%, if we give a discount of 28%, then the selling price amount will be 72%. Got it? So from the cost price, how much profit he earned after selling the product? 29.6. So 100 rupees cost price plus 29.6 will be 129.6. So 129.6 will be the selling price. Got it? Only then we can say that he earned 29.6% profit. So now our target is to find what is the marked price, right? Because we don't know what is the marked price here. First let me find that. So x is equal to 129.6 into 100, so divided by 72. So I think we can cancel one decimal point here and one zero here, because when you remove the decimal point it will be divided by 10, so we can cancel 0 and 0 directly. Now 8 2s are 16, so only then the last number will be 6, which is 18 times, so x is equal to 18. So finally we got the marked price will be 180. So after finding the marked price, the second data answer will be very simple. So why? Because X is the profit percentage when the article is sold at 30% discount. So our target is to find what is the profit percentage. So selling price minus cost price. We know the cost price of the article is 100. So selling price is how much? From 180 rupees. How much discount he is giving? 30% discount. So 30% discount will be from 100, right? If from 100, if 30% discount has been given, then 70% will be the selling price. So divided by 100. Got it? So minus of cost price 100. I think we can cancel 0, 0, 0 here. So 8 sevens are 56, 5. So 126 minus 100. So resultant will be 26. So 26% will be our answer. Got it? So this will be the value of X. So 26% profit when he sold the article for 30% discount. So this will be the answer for the quantity 1. So the value of X that we got from quantity 1 will be 26. And quantity 2 where the answer will be 38. So now the final answer is we need to compare the value, whether quantity 1 is greater or quantity 2 is greater. And we can easily say that quantity 1 is only 26, quantity 2 is a direct answer 38. So we can say quantity 2 will be greater than quantity 1. So friends, understood? I think, see, traditional method itself, it's very simple. Don't go for the shortcut. Why? Because sometimes we may make a mistake in the shortcut. That's the reason I'm saying, if there are traditional method is easy to solve, then go with the traditional method, because you will get that accurate answer. You don't want to think more just by using, you don't want to use the formula also. I never used any formulas here. Just cross multiplying. If this is the cost price and this is the marked price, then if we allow this much of discount, then what is the profit percentage? That's it. I didn't use any formulas or any shortcuts here. That's what I said. I think I have totally posted only 3 videos on profit and loss, but 6 videos on discount. Why? Because when compared to profit and loss, discount is more important. Right? So only I have posted 6 videos on discount. So try to watch all the 6 videos. I have told you like alternate discounts and what to say, false discount percentage allowed from the marked price. If there are 2 to 3 discount has been allowed. So all those stuff I have taught in my YouTube channel. So try to watch all those videos. So here is the last 15th question. So ratio of cost price to the marked price has been 19:30. So shopkeeper allows 24% discount and earn 20% profit on the selling price. So if the selling price of the article is 912, then find the difference between the amount of profit earned and amount of discount allowed. So we need to find what is the difference, right? Difference of profit earned and amount of discount allowed. So again, this question is based upon the topic called profit and loss as well as discount, right? So first what they are saying is ratio has been the cost price as well as for the marked price ratio has been 19:30. So they have given the value in terms of ratios, right? So we can say that the cost price will be 19x and the marked price will be how much? 30x. I think we don't want to use any shortcut here, because I feel like all the values has been directly given, right? Except this ratio, all the remaining discount, profit, selling price, everything has been given. So instead of using a shortcut, I feel like a normal method itself, it will be easy to solve this question. Just see, cost price is 19x, marked price is 30x. So now what they are saying is, how much discount has been allowed? 25% discount has been allowed, and how much profit he earned? 20% profit. So from 20% profit, where the selling price is also given, which is 920. So it is easy to say that. So we can say that 120% will be the profit percentage. From the cost price, right? Just listen here. From the cost price 19x, how much profit he earned? 20%. So let me fix 100% as the cost price. So from the 100, if 20% will be the profit, then 120% will be the profit. So 120% profit from the cost price, that is 19x. So finally he sold the article for how much? 912 rupees. So friends, understood this area or not? This is the most important step to solve this question. So the selling price of the article is 912 and the cost price is how much? 19x. They have given the value in terms of ratio. So that's the reason I have taken as 19x. So from the cost price, he earns a profit of how much? 20%. So 120% profit. From that cost price, the resultant will be the selling price, which is 912. I think by solving this, we can easily find what is the cost price of the article, which means the value of x. So we can say that 120 by 100. So into 19x is equal to 912. So we can cancel 0, 0 here. So 19x is equal to 912 into 10. So divided by 12. So we can cancel it on 2 table. So this becomes 5 times. So cancel it on 2 table 6 times. So 1 6 are 6. Remaining will be 3. 6 5 are 30. So remaining 6 2s are 12. 152. So this becomes 8, 42, 4, 8, 15. So 33. So this becomes x is equal to 40, right? We have 5 here. So finally we got 15 to 7, 15, right? 7 times here, 7 times. So we can say that 8, so 19 into 8 will be 152. So 8 into 5 is 40. Yes. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 40. So I think after finding the value of x, and now what is our target? Our target is to find the difference. So difference of profit earned, right? Difference of amount of discount allowed. So profit earned and the discount allowed, we need to find what is the difference. So first profit, how much profit he allowed? 20% profit. So from the cost price, he allowed 20% profit. 19x from the cost price is how much? 19. So from the cost price, he allowed a profit how much? 20%. That is 20 by 100. Difference of, so now the discount from the marked price, that is 30x. How much discount has been allowed? 24% discount. That is 24 by 100. So we need to find what is the difference in the value. So I think we can cancel 0, 0 here. So similarly we can cancel 0, 0 here. So 19 into 2 will be 38, divided by 10 will be 3.8. So difference of, so this will be 72. So 72 by 10 will be 7.2. So 7.2 will be the difference, x and x here. So 3.8 difference 7.2 will be 3.4x. So 3.4x will be the difference, and we got the value of x is equal to how much? 40. So 40 into 3.4. So resultant will be 416, 1. So 12, 130, 136. So finally we can say that the profit and the discount difference will be 136 rupees. So which is the answer for quantity 1. So friends, easy or not? Right? See, I didn't use any formulas. So this is the only step you need to know. So from that cost price, if the profit earned is 20%, then this will be the selling price. So it's equal to selling price. So finally I have found what is the value of x. So after finding the value of x in the direct question, we need to find the what is the difference. It's a direct thing what they are asking is we need to find the difference between the profit earned and the discount allowed. So from the cost price, the profit earned is 20. So from the marked price where the discount is been 24. So when you find the difference, the resultant answer will be 136. So which will be the answer for quantity 1. So now we can solve the quantity 2 because quantity 1 we have solved just now and the answer will be 136. So now quantity 2 again it's based on profit and loss concept. So shopkeeper marked an article as 70% above its cost price and allows 40% discount on it. So if the shopkeeper sold it for 183.6 rupees, so find the sum of profit earned and the amount of discount allowed. So again see previous question same, everything is same because in previous question what we did, we have found the difference of profit earned and the discount allowed. But here in this question our target is to find the total sum of profit earned and the discount allowed, right? That's the difference here. So first we can say that the cost price of the article has been 100. Similarly we can keep it as 100 something. So now 70% profit, right? From shopkeeper marked an article 70% above the cost price. So from the cost price he is marking 70% above. So we can say that the marked price will be how much? 170x. Yes or no? If 70% more from the cost price, then 170x will be the marked price. So exact amount we don't know, that's the reason we are keeping as x, 100x, 170x, etc. So now from this above its cost price and allow 40% discount on it. So we can say that from this amount he is allowing how much discount? 40% discount. Then the selling price is how much from this amount? 60%. So we can find 170 into what is 60%. So once understood or not how I am finding? Because if he allows 40% discount, the selling price value has been given. So it is easy to find what is the selling price amount. So 40% discount from 100, if we subtract 40, then the resultant 60 will be the selling percentage. So we can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So finally we can say that 6 sevens are 42. So remaining will be 4, 102. So 102x. So 102x resultant will be the selling price. So selling price what they have given is 183.6. So we can say that 102x is equals to the selling price, that is 183.6. So x is equal to 183.6 divided by 102. So resultant will be, this becomes 1 times 102. So remaining will be 81, that is 816, which becomes 8 times. So we can say that the value of x will be 1.8. So finally by finding that value of x, it is easy to find what will be the cost price and what will be the marked price. Because we know x is equal to 1.8. If you multiply 100 into 1.8, resultant will be the cost price. So 170 into 1.8, resultant will be the marked price. So it is easy to find every value. So after finding the value of x, what is our final target? We need to find the profit earned, right? So profit earned plus discount allowed. Right, we need to find the total sum. So first discount allowed. We know that how much discount he has been allowed, 40% discount. From which money? That is from the marked price. So we can say that the 170 into the profit, that is discount, will be 40. So 40 divided by 100. So plus. So next will be what is the next? The profit earned. So cost price minus selling price. Cost price is how much? 100x. Right? Selling price is how much? That is 102x, right? 102x will be the selling price. So we need to find the difference here, which is 2x. And similarly here also we have x, so we can cancel 0, 0 here. So 17x into 4. So 100x difference, 102x will be plus 2x. So 7 4s are 28, 2. So 68x plus 2x. So this becomes 70x, and we know that x is equal to how much? 1.8. So 70 into 1.8. 56, 126. So 126 will be the answer. That is, the total sum will be 126 for quantity 2. So quantity 1, what we already got is 136. Here we have found the difference, but here we have found the total. That's the major difference between both the question. But I think everything is same, right? Everything is same. Profit will be selling price minus cost price. Don't write as minus 2x. Because it's just a difference, right? So 100x will be the cost price, selling price. The usual formula will be selling price minus cost price. I have wrongly written here. So that's the reason it will be 2x. So profit percentage. So profit percentage and discount allowed will be 40. So from the marked price, how much discount has been allowed? 40% discount. So 170 into 40 by x. So this will be the discount allowed and this will be the profit. So finally we got 126 will be the total. So friends, that's it, right? So only that's the thing, again and again I'm saying, only if you know the 100% concept, you can able to solve all these types of question, or else it will be very difficult to solve. So friends, that's it about this video number 3 on the topic inequality. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are preparing for any tough level competitive exams, you have to learn these kinds of videos, no other way. Right? So if you practice more, definitely you too can able to score good marks in your mains exam, or else any tough level competitive exams. It's easy without learning formulas, or everything is easy, but you have to know the basic concept of all the topics in quantitative aptitude. So friends, that's it about this video. So thank you so much for watching it. So if you really like it, so share this video to your friends, those are preparing for the tough level competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it.